At Belgard, we make it our mission to find better solutions for our customers. So we're proud to introduce our Tandem segmental retaining wall system for residential and light commercial hardscape projects. With front and rear-facing units, with 24 distinct textures to choose from, the Tandem system gives you the ability to design gorgeous, curved, straight, freestanding, and seat walls. Here's what you'll need to build a tandem wall. Tandem wall units with a natural, chiseled stone look, which are produced in a 3-color blend and have rear-formed dovetail connection profiles. Polypropylene connection members, which connect tandem wall face units and allow walls to be built up to 3 feet in height without geogrid and up to 8 feet in height with geogrid reinforcement. Now for the step-by-step process. Begin by creating a leveling pad. Level and compact 6 inches of crushed stone. Now you're ready to begin with the tandem wall base course installation. To start the building process, assemble complete retaining wall units by inserting connecting members into the front and rear tandem wall face units, which forms a complete retaining wall unit. After placing the assembled tandem wall unit onto the leveling pad, place a level across the top of the units to assure that the wall units are level from side to side, as well as from front to back. Run a string line along the wall to guarantee true horizontal wall alignment. Fill the interior of the installed tandem wall units with 3/4 inch clear crushed stone, which provides internal gravel interlock and also provides internal drainage, which helps to relieve any hydrostatic pressure. Install a drain tile directly behind the retaining wall to allow for positive drainage. Here's a cross-section of a typical leveling pad elevation. This wall requires the use of a radius. Insert the connecting members into the veneer dovetails to keep connectors as straight as possible, ensuring each veneer has at least 2 connecting members for correct panel support. As shown, the inside units of this radius did require some cutting. The tandem wall can be built as a gravity retaining wall system up to a height of 3 feet. To build to heights above 3 feet, geogrid reinforcement is required and should be designed by a qualified engineer. Position a cut piece of tandem wall directly behind the wall to create a corner, placing construction adhesive between the unit and top wall panel, and secure the cap units to create the bond. Then, arrange the caps on top of the bonded wall and panel. To make the job easier, use U-Start Base Block, Belgard Hardscape's newest product innovation. U-Start Base Block is a universal base course block for walls that provides cost savings and efficiencies when starting your first course of retaining wall blocks. To learn how Belgard's tandem segmental retaining wall system can help make your projects easier and keep your budgets in line, please contact us at belgard.com. We'd love to discuss how the Tandem system's versatile design features can help you create captivating outdoor spaces.